Confluence makes me feel rooted,
playful and curious,
excited and inspired,
at home with myself,
connected.
Confluence makes me feel like there's actual hope for connection with humans.